Now you work with climate change. What does it mean to you?
Climate change, to me, I see it as everybody's responsibility. And me being a lecturer, I believe I've got the responsibilities to train the future leaders, the future decision makers. And this is an opportunity that I received so that I can receive the necessary training so that I can go and impart it to the students that I'm teaching.
And the interest?
The interest has even risen beyond the time I came here.
And what do you think after this hard rain presentation?
The hard rain presentation made me to think and to accept that climate change is not beyond reach. It's everybody's responsibility, and a little action and change in lifestyles can go a long way into reversing our negative impacts on our lovely climate.
And what are the challenges as you see it in South Africa?
In South Africa, I can't talk on the general perspective, but I can talk from the environment where I'm working in. People tend to be ignorant, and my assumption to that is that sometimes people are not empowered. They don't have the knowledge to understand that their little actions have got a long way to go into impacting the climate, especially when I saw those pictures of biodiversity being strangled in the rivers, the pollution of the penguins dying. I realized that we sometimes ignore the little actions that we make that in the long run are going to have a very serious repercussions to our biodiversity and environment in general.